cooking.
What are you cooking?
Waffles or pancakes.
Waffles. Let's show them how it's done.
Okay.
You're supposed to keep your hair out when you're a chef.
Hi.
Yep. Real gentle. Do you like to cook?
Yes.
How come?
I don't know.
What do you like about it?
I like the different recipes.
What's your favorite?
I like cracking eggs.
You're really good at cracking eggs, aren't you? Just gently put it down. You did it perfectly, Soph. You don't need to tip. Put it down. Beautiful. Okay, look at me. What do you want to do when you grow up?
Cook.
What do you want to cook?
Different kinds of food. I can put different recipes together and make something new.
Will it be delicious?
I do not know.
We hope so, though, right?
Well, there can be different parts of food in the menus and some other kinds of languages that they say in other kinds of cities.
Oh, so we can have multicultural menus, huh?
Like if there's a Chinese menu, that food will be in Chinese, and we have the recipes, so we can make that stuff.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.